Hello everyone, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a freewheel hub from the rear wheel bicycle. The tool I'm using is a freewheel remover, the Park Tool FR 1.3N and an adjustable wrench. And you can clearly see that initially this is not going to work. You know, the freewheel body is just screwed on there way too tight. It's a 35-year-old wheel, and in the end I found out there was a bit of rust that seized the freewheel body onto the rear wheel hub. So there was just more involved. I needed to do better than the initial try. And the funny part starts here. So it isn't working initially, and I kind of wanted things to be easier. So basically I just stopped. And a lot of time during bike restorations, especially one where the bike is in a bad state, you're going to run into these kind of issues. Whether it's the bottom bracket, whether it's the seat post that seized, the bicycle stem, whether it's a freewheel hub like this one, you're going to run into issues. And there's ingenuity, there's persistence, and there's YouTube tutorials, and there's always basically a way to get to the goal you're trying to achieve. And the only thing you don't have to do is look into the freewheel hub and see if there's some, magic solution hiding in there. You just have to put the freewheel remover back in there and get back to it. And that's the way to deal with, these issues. So that it was funny looking back at it, because this was more, a mental hurdle I had to take than the actual physical one. And if you do so, this is what happens. Boom, there it goes. So that's basically the lesson of this video, besides, the way to actually remove the freewheel hub. So sort of kind of lesson I learned there. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, leave a comment. I wish you all the best with your own bike restoration, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.